In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to message your Uber driver from the Uber website. If you need to contact your driver while an active ride is in progress, the Uber website gives you a simple way to do it directly from your browser. This can be helpful if you want to clarify your pickup location, share a quick update, or let the driver know about a small delay. The key thing to remember is that this only works when you have an active trip that is currently being tracked in your account. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to uber.com and sign in to your Uber account. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you have more than one profile or if you've recently switched devices. After logging in, navigate to the section where your current ride is being tracked so you can view the live trip details. Once the page loads, look for your active trip information panel. This is the area that shows the current status of your ride, along with important details like the driver information and trip progress. Take a moment to confirm that you're looking at the correct ride before sending anything. Since messages sent here will go directly to the driver connected to that trip. Next, find the chat or message icon located next to the driver's name. Click that icon to open the messaging window. If you don't see it right away, give the page a second to fully load because sometimes the trip tools appear after the rest of the page finishes updating. When the message box appears, click into the text input field and type your message clearly. Keep your note short, polite, and specific so the driver can quickly understand it while managing the trip. For example, if you're updating your location or sharing a quick instruction, clear wording helps avoid confusion. After your message is ready, click Send. That will transmit your text directly to the driver's app. Once it's sent, you can watch for any response within the same chat area, depending on what options are available during the ride. And that's it. By logging into the Uber website, opening your active trip panel, selecting the message icon, typing your note, and clicking Send, you can quickly contact your driver without using the mobile app. This is a fast and convenient option when you need to communicate important trip details clearly.